creamy garlic ravioli. Let's start cooking. Boil 6 cups of water. Add salt. Add 25 ounces of frozen ravioli. Cook ravioli for 5.5 minutes. Gently stir. Cover, put lid while boiling. Once they have floated, remove from water. Set aside. Then save some pasta water, about 1 cup for later. Add 1 tablespoon of olive oil on a medium heat wok. Fry 6 to 8 cloves of diced garlic. Stir and fry for 3 minutes. From heat. Set aside for your toppings later. One to 2 teaspoons of olive oil on medium heat. 1/4 onion diced. Saute for a minute. Add 7 ounces of sliced sausage. One teaspoon of flour. Mix. Six to 8 tablespoons of basil pesto sauce. Mix, mix, mix. Eight ounces of sliced mushrooms. Cook for 1 to 2 minutes. One-fourth cup of heavy cream. 1/4 cup of pasta water. Mix everything together. One-half cup of yellow bell pepper. Mix. One-fourth teaspoon ground black pepper. Add in cooked ravioli. Stir gently to combine ravioli with sauce. You can now turn off the heat. One tomato chopped. Mix. Top with Parmesan cheese. Mozzarella cheese. Dried garlic. Dried parsley flakes. Enjoy.